Good morning, everybody. This is a day after our first big snowstorm, and it is beautiful out here, but snow is deadly. I don't care what anybody says, but it is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The sun is shining, making everything all sparkly. It is beautiful. But it is so much to clean up. Our plow truck guy is supposed to be on his way soon. He's just having some lunch. This is our beautiful property. This is where we live. And like I said, beautiful out here. A little chilly. We're supposed to get some real cold days here the next 2 days. But then, thankfully, it's supposed to warm back up into the 40s, and there may be a 50 or 2 in there. So, yeah, there's my wonderful, beautiful, snowy weather. This should all probably be gone off the trees by the end of the week. But yeah, everything's beautiful.